Helpful tips for baby-proofing your home is essential to create a safe environment for your little one as they begin to explore the world around them. General tips for baby-proofing your home. General safety tips. Start early. It's never too early to start baby-proofing. Ideally, begin before your baby starts crawling. Secure furniture. Anchor heavy furniture and appliances to the wall to prevent them from tipping over. Use safety gates. Install safety gates at the top and bottom of stairs, as well as in doorways to restrict your baby's access to certain areas. Lock cabinets. Use safety latches to lock cabinets and drawers that contain harmful items like cleaning supplies, sharp objects, or small items that could be choking hazards. Cover electrical outlets. Use outlet covers or safety plugs to prevent your baby from sticking fingers or objects into outlets. Crib safety. Make sure the crib bars are close enough together to prevent your baby's head from getting stuck. Fence the pool. If you have a pool, secure it with a fence and a self-latching gate. Be mindful of plants. Some plants can be toxic if ingested. Make sure all indoor and outdoor plants are safe. Visit www.mynewbabyideas.com for more tips for baby-proofing your home.